Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee packing. First, gather your materials. You'll need food-grade cellophane, wax paper, or small boxes. Ensure your chosen material is moisture-resistant to keep the toffee fresh. Individual wrapping is often best for hygiene and preventing sticking. Think about the presentation too. Attractive packaging enhances the gift or sale. For individual pieces, cut your chosen wrapping material, like cellophane, into squares, typically around 4 by 4 inches. Place one piece of cooled toffee in the center of each square. Then, simply gather the opposite corners and twist the ends firmly. This method creates a secure seal, keeping your toffee fresh and preventing it from sticking to other pieces. If you're packing multiple toffees, consider small boxes or clear bags. Line these containers with parchment or wax paper to prevent sticking. Carefully arrange the toffee pieces inside, ensuring they aren't too tightly packed. This helps maintain their shape and prevents breakage. A decorative ribbon or a custom label can add a professional and appealing touch to your finished product. Once packed, store your toffee in a cool, dry environment away from direct sunlight or heat sources. This prevents melting and maintains its texture. For gifting, consider placing individually wrapped toffees into a decorative tin or a small, elegant box. This not only protects the candy, but also elevates its presentation, making it a delightful treat for anyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.